channel. I am so late to filming this. I got my Sephora Favorites Pop Beauty Cred. Their little, since they went away from the Sephora Play, they now have where you can order the favorites box. So everybody gets pretty much the same thing. My cat is singing today. So we are going to play in this. If you're reading this, you just gotten access to a curated set of the next big things in beauty. That's what the card says. So, oh, these are stickers. I'm like, what is this? Stickers! To send to my friends' kids. Because that's how I feel. So for this is, and this was August, I think. I don't know. I've had it sitting on my thing and I haven't filmed this video. And I'm like, I need to film. I'm trying to make room. Trying to get things taken care of. So, we're filming. So, we are going to... Ooh. Let's start with Fenty Beauty. Which one is the Fenty Beauty? So, Fenty Beauty, we are doing a sample of the mascara. Woo-woo! This is Full Frontal Volume Lift Curl Mascara. If I didn't already have 3 mascaras, I would totally put this in my basket right now. But I have 3 mascaras. Not happening. The next one is the Natasha Denona. Now, it is... Which one is this from? This is from the Palette 5 in Moonstone. I already have this one, I think. I think I already have this one. But there is Moonstone. And this is from Palette number 5. So there's Aura, Cool Bronze, Cool Plum, and Oxide are the other ones. I only got the sample for Moonstone. So I do have that one. And it's a metallic. Let's swatch. I swear I have this one. The only thing that's really bad is, oh yeah. It's so creamy. Look at that baby. Oh yeah. I think I already have this one. Not good. So then the next one is Lord Jones, the West Coast Wellness. This is like a CBD thing or something. Lord Jones High CBD Body Lotion. This may go to a friend of mine. Our high CBD formula body lotion has been crafted from the finest ingredients to deliver a rich, luxurious lotion with unparalleled absorption. This multitasking formula has been designed to be both hydrating and calming, which CBD does. It does have a calming effect. The product does and stuff. So I can't argue that. Fresh. What are we getting from Fresh? We are getting the Rose Petal Soft Lip Cream. Look at this cute little bottle. I was like holding it in my hand. I'm like not holding it up for y'all to see. Open up. Me sesame. All the animals are talking. We just fed them. Let's check out this cute little lip cream. Isn't that cute? I'm not going to swatch it because I don't stick my fingers in jars. So that's not going to help. Okay. Number 5 is Amika. This is the Flash Instant Shine Mask. So it's a hair mask. So what does Amika say? The Brooklyn-born wild child put on earth to deliver your best hair ever. No idea that it was Brooklyn. My friend from the Bronx might get upset about that though. Then, we're ending the summer, so let's start feeling like it's a little bit of summer. And this is Replica Beach Walk. Now I have to smell this. And I'm working on my Little Goes a Long Way. So this one may go into that collab. Oh, look at that. I love this bottle. Oh, it smells so much like Bobby Brown Beach. Really, it smells a lot like Bobby Brown Beach. Oh my gosh. Beautiful. Oh, yes. Scrumptious. Lovey, lovey. So that is what they're saying. Sephora's saying is trending right now. That's the samples that they got in. So there is the fashion house making its own rules with memory stirring scents. Yeah, Beach Walk, likey. The mascara, okay. Natasha Denona, I think I have that eyeshadow. I think I already got it. I'll have to look. I have a lot of singles, but it does give. It's beautiful, beautiful metallic. So some fun stuff. So, I mean, not bad. We'll put them in my sample bag to test out. A couple of them I'm going to put aside to send to some friends, because one of them needs calm and such. But I love you all. This was a quick video, but it was my, like I said, my Sephora beauty trends. This is the samples they're giving out. I think it runs for about $15 for the box, so it really depends on if that's what you want, but at least you can look ahead and see what the box looks like before you do. So this is, like I said, beauty cred. I don't know why they seem to think they need beauty cred, but it's fun stuff to try and see if you like it or not. Like I said, that Beach Walk, it's kind of between my Bobbi Brown Beach and my that is a fragrance I like, and the Jennifer Aniston Beachscapes. So definitely something to look into, I think. So I hope everyone has a wonderful day, and I will talk to you soon. And I'm so sorry this video is so late getting put up. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. If you have any comments, please comment below. If you like this video, thumbs up. If you didn't like this video, or because you're upset that I'm so late posting it, you can give me a thumbs down. That is fine. But I hope everyone has a wonderful day, and I will talk to you soon.